the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. This is the season of joy and merry. And what brings more joy than chocolate? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food. And today on the Christmas special episode, I bring to you the recipe of chocolate cobbler. What is a cobbler? It's something in between of a cake and brownie. It's extremely fudgy and gooey and makes a perfect winter dessert because it's supposed to be served warm. So let's start with sifting some dry ingredients. This is 1 cup of flour. I'm going to sift it. Also add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 3/4 cup of caster sugar. Sift all these ingredients together. I'm also going to sieve 1 teaspoon of baking powder. But one tip for you, in case you've made the batter earlier and kept it aside, make sure you add the baking powder just before putting it in the oven so that the rising agents doesn't get deactivated. So that's why I'm adding this at the end. Half a cup of melted butter. Next, I'm going to add in milk. So milk at room temperature. So you'll need around 3/4 to 1 cup of milk. Let's add in 3/4 cup first, and then if I feel the need to add more, I'll do so. Whisk all these ingredients together. If you've added the baking powder, make sure you work very quickly. Some more milk. Make sure it's a smooth batter and there are no lumps. This is a chocolate cobbler. But if you want to know more about different variations of a cobbler, stay tuned till the end. This is the consistency of the batter that I need. Next, I'm going to divide this batter into 2 halves because I want a vanilla flavored and a chocolate flavored batter. Into half the batter, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Give this a good mix. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And same way, we're going to mix cocoa powder in the remaining batter. Very quickly, in a buttered grease tray, I'm going to pour the chocolate batter as well as the vanilla batter. Just pour it around everywhere. So I have chunks of dark chocolate over here. You could even take chocolate chips if you want, but I like big pieces of chocolate in this. So I am just going to randomly push it. Make sure it's covered with the batter. Next, I'm going to add some white chocolate chips. Take a knife, take a spoon or a toothpick and just give it a marble effect by swirling it in the batter. Make sure you slightly cover the chocolate chips also with the batter so that they don't burn. And this is done. What I need to do to keep it nice and moist on the top is drizzle a little bit of water so that it doesn't crust too much and stays nice and moist. This goes in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. The cobbler is going to be ready in a few minutes. And for more such simple recipes, watch me every Monday only on Rajshri Food. This cobbler is out of the oven and it's ready, and you have to dig in immediately and serve it with a nice dollop of ice cream or whipped cream and your choice of fruits. So let's do that. A nice dollop of ice cream, some sprinkles. Make sure that you bake the cobbler just before serving because it has to be served hot. Strawberry and chocolate are my favorite flavors as far as cobbler is concerned. Do try it with your favorite flavor and let me know how it turned out. Until then, I'll see you soon and wish you a very Merry Christmas. You can make lots of different flavors of cobblers like peanut butter, caramel, fruit flavors. All you need to do is replace the cocoa powder if you're using fruits Dust them with a little bit of corn flour or cornstarch and add it in the batter. If you're using peanut butter, of course you can mix it in the batter, you can drizzle some caramel sauce on it and make a completely different version of a cobbler.